Relax for me. Beautiful. Awesome. One more. Man, he's just so tight. Everything's just going up.
Yeah.
6
And
months
you're
pregnant,
still
still got
kicking
it.
too. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Okay, so keep your teeth together for me, and nice deep breath. Yes, there you go. Nice and smooth. There it is. Yeah. Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Oh my god.
Perfect. Brooke's like Renee. She's crackalicious. Go ahead and get in close on this, Joseph, because this will make a lot of noise. There we go. Good.
4 weeks at most.
Okay, here we go. Look at that, falling in place. Good girl.
Relax here for me. Relax here. Very good. Very good movement. Okay. Relax here. Excellent. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. All right. Okay. Very good. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Completely exhale. Very good. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. All right, very good.
You're welcome. Oh. Ah! Oh. Jump short. Ow! Big deep breath. Let out.
Okay, nice deep breath in. Excellent. Yep. I got you. Perfect. Yes, ma'am. Good job. Okay, so let's see. Yep, that's good. Yep. There we go. There's the right one. Yeah, there's the left one. Not quite as loud as the right one, but moves.
And then take a deep breath in, out. Okay, breath in, out. Okay, breath in, out. Okay, and just relax. Okay. Relax. Okay.
Okay, so we're going to do the pelvic adjustment now. Breathe in for me. Breathe out. Good. That's it. On your other side. Okay, breathe in again. And out. Good. That's it. On your back. Those circles there. Just nice and relaxed for me. That's it. Just a little one on this left side. Okay, just wiggle your toes. That's it. One popped in before the adjustment.
Right inside there. I want to relax just a bit. A little bit more. Good. Perfect. That's it. Just relax just a little bit. No, let it go. Let those muscles go. A little bit more.
All right. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Beautiful. Good. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Deep breath for me. All the way out. Don't even wait for me. Perfect. Same thing, other side.
Mm-hmm.
Deep breath for me. Oh, nice. That was ready to go. Go face up on me.